بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, welcome again to our simplified Quran and Arabic classes. Today we are going to go through the Arabic long vowels. This is just an introduction of the Arabic long vowels. We also have a practice for all of this, inshallah. Remember, we said in the previous video that we have practice for all the vowels, okay? And your job is only one. Just go through them again and again and again until you are comfortable, okay? So let's jump into the first one. So we have Alif with a long vowel, Alif with a Kasra with a long vowel, Alif with a Dhamma with a long vowel. So if we didn't have a long vowel, this would have been read like this: A, E, O. But we have a long vowel here. So how do we read it? We read it like A, E, O. See, you're making the vowel long. A, E, O. The second one, Ba, Bi, Boo. Now let's say we didn't have the long vowels. We will have read it like Ba, Bi, Boo. But we have a long vowel. Ba here, Bi here, Boo. Ta, ti, tu, we make it long like this. Ta, ti, tu. Ta, ti, tu. Then on tha, tha, thi, thu. Okay, tha, thi, thu. Then here we have Ja, Ji, Ju. Ja, Ji, Ju. And then here we have Ha, Hi, Hu. Ha, Hi, Hu. Then we have Kho, Khi, Hu. Kho, Khi, Hu. Okay. On the second column we have Dal with a Fatha, and Alif to make it long, Dal with a Kasri and Ya to make it long, Dal with a Dhamma and a Waw to make it long. And if you look at Dal, Dal, Ra, and Za, and Alif, which we've just done, remember we call these ones non-connectors, and also Waw. Okay, remember these are non-connectors. We said they cannot join with the next letter. Okay, you cannot join Dal with Alif, Dal with Ya, Dal and Waw. Dal with Alif, you cannot join them. Okay, but if you observe the other ones, you can see we are joining them. Okay, so let's go to Da, Di, and Do. Da, Di, Do. If we didn't have the long vowels, we will have read them as Da, Di, Do. But we have the long vowels here, so we read them as Da, Di, Do. And we have The, The, Thu. The, The, Thu. Then we have Ra, Ri, Ru. Ra, Ri, Ru. Then we have Za, Zi, Zu. Za, Zi, Zu. Then we have Sa, Si, Su. Sa, Si, Su. Okay, you can see we can join this together, but these ones, remember the non-connectors, they cannot connect with the next letter. Okay, the next letter has to start again. Okay, then we have shin with a fatha, shin with ya, shin with dhamma. Okay, if we didn't have the long vowels here, this is the way we will have read them. Sha, shi, shu. Sha, shi, shu. But we have long vowels here. So, sha, shi, shu. Sha, shi, shu. Then we have sod here. So, si, su. So, si, su. Then we have bod. Bo, bi, bu. Bo, bi, bu. Then we have to, ti, tu. To, ti, tu. Okay, it's not 32, it's to. To. It's heavier than ta. To, ti, tu. Then you have vo, not the, but vo, the, vu, vu. Okay, this is the, vu, vo, the, vu. We have a, I, u, a, I, u. Gho, ghi, ghu. Gho, ghi, ghu. Fa, fi, fu. Fa, fi, fu. Then here we have o, ti, ku. O, ti, ku. And here we have ka, ki, ku. Ka, ki, ku. And lam, alif, here lam, you see here when we join lam and alif it becomes lam alif, but this is how you make the letter L long using a fatha. La, li, lu. La, li, lu. Then we have ma, mi, mu. Ma, mi, mu. Then we have na, ni, and nu. Na, ni, nu. This next one, remember we said this is a non-connector. That's why you cannot join wow and alif, wow and ya, wow and wow. Okay, but if they're the last ones with the connectors, you see you can join them. Look at wow here, you can join it with nun, but you cannot join wow and any other letter. You see all of them. Look at the non-connectors, look at them, look at them. You cannot join them again to the next letter. You cannot join alif and ya, you cannot join alif and wow, dal and alif, dal and ya, dal, and so on and so forth, using the non-connectors. But if a non-connector comes after a connector, you can join it. Look, ba is a connector, it joins with wow. Ba is a connector, you can join it with ya. Ba is a connector, you can join it with alif, but not the other way around. Okay, so here we have wa, we, woo. Wa, we, woo. Then we have ha, he, who. Ha, he, who. Lastly, we have ya, ye. Okay, ye and you, ya, ye and you. Okay, hope you can see it. You. Okay, this is the you. Let's go through it one more time, from the beginning till the end. A, I, U, ba, bi, bu, ta, ti, tu, tha, thi, thu, ja, ji, ju, ha, hi, hu, kho, khi, khu, da, di, du, tha, thi, thu, ra, ri, ru, za, zi, zu, sa, si, su, sha, shi, shu, sa, si, su, sa, si, su, ba, bi, bu, ba, bi, bu, ta, ti, tu, ta, ti, tu, dha, dhi, dhu, dha, dhi, dhu, a, i, u, a, i, u, gha, ghi, ghu, gha, ghi, ghu, fa, fi, fu, qa, qi, qu, ka, ki, ku, la, li, lu, ma, mi, mu, na, ni, nu, wa, wi, wu, ha, he, who, ya, ye, and you, ya, ye, and you. Inshallah, if you have not understood the lesson, please, I urge you, inshallah, to go through it again and again until when you feel you are comfortable to move to the next one. Inshallah, please subscribe to our channel, share with everyone, let them know about our channel, and like, please, and comment. Ma'asalama. See you in the next lesson. Shukran.